It was a Saturday morning in May. When Mrs. Edwards opened her curtains and looked out, she smiled and said, "It's going to be a beautiful day." She woke her small son up at 8:30 and said to him, "Get up, Teddy. We're going to go to the zoo today. Wash your hands and face, brush your teeth, and eat your breakfast quickly. We're going to go to New York by train." Teddy was 6 years old. He was very happy now, because he liked going to the zoo very much, and he also liked going by train. He said, "I dreamed about the zoo last night, Mommy." His mother was in a hurry, but she stopped and smiled at her small son. "You did, Teddy?" she said. "And what did you do in the zoo in your dream?" Teddy laughed and answered, "You know, Mommy, you were there in my dream too."